Meet Tom Lender, financial investigator. Today, he's investigating SpaceX. And what he found changed everything.
Wait. What?
Who really owns SpaceX? Most people think buying SpaceX is simple. Wait for the IPO. Open a brokerage account. Buy the stock. Done.
Sounds easy. There's just one problem.
SpaceX isn't public. Level 1. How the rich invest. Wealthy investors often do things differently. Some investors look beyond public markets. They invest through private funds. These funds can access opportunities most people can't. Those funds then invest in private companies. And sometimes those companies include SpaceX.
But that doesn't mean everyone can participate. And that's why buying SpaceX isn't as simple as people think.
So what can ordinary investors actually buy? Most people start with public stocks, while others choose ETFs to diversify their investments. Some funds can even provide indirect exposure to private companies. But none of these options give you direct ownership of SpaceX shares. And that's the key difference. Level 2. Why SpaceX is special. SpaceX isn't just another company. It's one of the most ambitious engineering projects in history. Inside these facilities, thousands of people are building the rockets that could shape the future of space travel. From massive factories to powerful Raptor engines, every part of the company is focused on pushing the limits of what's possible. And that's one reason investors pay so much attention to it. But SpaceX isn't only about rockets. The company also owns Starlink, a satellite internet network that connects people across the globe. Today, millions of users rely on it for high-speed internet access. And as the network continues to expand, many investors see it as one of SpaceX's most valuable assets. Most rockets are used only once, but SpaceX changed the game with Falcon 9. After launch, the rocket can return to Earth, land safely, and fly again. That dramatically reduces costs and gives SpaceX a huge advantage over competitors. SpaceX became one of the most valuable private companies in the world. But unlike Tesla, you can't buy SpaceX stock. That's because SpaceX is still privately owned. Most shares belong to Elon Musk, employees, and private investors. For everyone else, those shares remain locked away. Level 3. Investing in SpaceX. The answer is indirect investing. Instead of buying SpaceX shares directly, investors gain exposure through funds that already own them. By investing in those funds, investors can indirectly benefit from SpaceX's growth. SpaceX may become one of the most valuable companies in history. But investing in private companies always comes with risks. And that's exactly why so many investors are paying attention. The question is, would you invest?